everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share a simple daily routine that we use in everyday life. These are common sentences you can use when you talk about your day. Don't worry, it's very easy and you can follow step by step. At the end of the video, I'll also give you a vocabulary list that you can use in your own daily routine and in daily conversations. So let's get started.
Every morning, I wake up with a soft smile as the sunlight gently fills my room. It's the perfect way to begin a peaceful day. I stretch my body slowly and take a deep breath, feeling fresh and ready for a new start. Then I head to the bathroom to wash my face, brush my teeth, and refresh myself. I tidy my room, make my bed, and let the warm morning light brighten everything. Next, I prepare a simple breakfast, something warm, relaxing, and healthy. I enjoy my meal slowly, sometimes with music or a quiet cup of tea. After breakfast, I choose my outfit, do my skincare, and get ready for the day ahead. I take a moment to plan my tasks and set my intentions for the day. And finally, I step outside with a calm mind and a positive heart. Now that you've listened to my daily routine, let's take a moment to learn some useful vocabulary from the video. I'm going to explain a few simple words that you can use in your own daily conversations. So let's get started with the vocabulary list.
Wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. What time do you usually wake up? It took me a while to wake up properly. Head to. After waking up, I head to the bathroom to wash my face. I head to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. Every morning, I head to my workspace at 8:30. Peaceful day. I'm hoping for a peaceful day today. Yesterday was such a peaceful day, full of calm moments. A morning walk helps me start a peaceful day. Soft smile. I woke up with a soft smile on my face. She greeted me with a soft smile. His soft smile made me feel calm, refresh myself. I splashed some cold water on my face to refresh myself. I take a short break to refresh myself before continuing work. Drinking a glass of water helps me refresh myself. Tidy my room. I always tidy my room before leaving the house. It only takes 10 minutes to tidy my room. I tidy my room every evening to keep it clean. Make my bed. I make my bed as soon as I wake up. She never forgets to make her bed in the morning. When I make my bed, my room instantly looks neater. Quiet cup of tea. I enjoy a quiet cup of tea before the day gets busy. She sat by the window with a quiet cup of tea. A quiet cup of tea helps me relax and think clearly. Choose my outfit. Every morning, I choose my outfit based on the weather. I take a few minutes to choose my outfit for work. I love to choose my outfit the night before, relaxing. A warm shower is very relaxing after a long day. Listening to soft music is so relaxing. I find cleaning my room strangely relaxing. Skincare. I follow a simple skincare routine every morning. Good skincare makes my face feel fresh. She never skips her nighttime skincare routine.
All right, I hope this helped you learn how to talk about your own day in simple English. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it. And don't forget to comment your daily routine below. I'd love to read it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.